Yes, it's finally done. Let's make a baby. Angel hair, sweet, and the biggest heart. Ooh. Oh, so cute. You deserve the finest things in life. I'll give you the gift of generational wealth. Oh no, looks like you'll have a twin. Oh jeez, I should just get another one. No more rich coupons. Broke it is. Your lives are gonna be so different. Oh well. One for you and one for you.
15 years later.
Good morning!
Mom!
You snooze, you lose! Rise and shine, baby!
5 more minutes.
Wake up, sweetheart!
Mom!
Sorry, honey. It's your first day at school.
5 more minutes. I turned it off.
Morning, madam. It's your favorite song.
Good morning, sweetheart. Do you like it?
Mom, this is a bit too much.
Okay, honey. Leave. I think you're gonna have such a great day.
Mom, please, no more surprises.
Okay, honey.
Hey, is it our turn?
No, the party's cancelled.
Yes!
Oh, honey, what would you like for? What is this?
Are you serious? It's just a pimple, Mom.
No. I got you the best specialist.
Honey, we need to fix this up. You can't go walking around like that.
Are you sure?
Of course, honey. Go.
Okay, hold your breath.
Oh, it's hurting.
What is going on?
It's part of the process.
It got bigger.
Mom, foundation can fix it.
Here.
Perfect. Done.
What is this pimple? We need to fix it.
Mom, it's okay.
Don't worry, honey. I will help you. My mom taught me this when I was 15.
Mom, what are you doing?
You'll see. Just put them in a bowl and add toothpaste. Now I just gotta squeeze it.
Mom, we have another one.
No! We don't waste anything in this house. See? There's still some in there.
Really?
Now mix.
That's disgusting, Mom.
And now it's done. Yes.
Ew.
Leave it for 10 minutes.
No way. It got bigger. Oh well. Bandana it is. Mom, what's for breakfast?
You will see. I made you an egg platter. Do you, sweetie?
I hate eggs.
Oh, sweetie. Sorry, chickens. I didn't mean to.
Sorry, Helen. I guess I'd better eat.
What happened, honey?
It's got eggshells in it.
It's good for your teeth.
Mom.
Enjoy your breakfast, honey.
Thank you, Mom. Cereal, my favorite.
Your breakfast, madame.
Honey, this is your special dish from France.
Huh?
Mwah. Bon appétit.
You can't be serious.
I'm sure, honey, you're gonna like it. It's a delicatesse. You can do it, honey.
Fine.
One big bite. I knew you were gonna like it, sweetheart.
Very good, Mom. But I want my cereal.
Mom! What's wrong? What happened?
My tooth hurts.
Oh, I was looking for it.
Mom!
Oh, honey. I know what to do.
What's happening?
It's just a dentist, sweetie. See?
Hello. Open up.
Don't worry, sweetheart. He's a good doctor.
Sure, Mom.
Just relax.
What are you doing? Wow, where am I? Oh, hi. Whoa.
Honey, do you like it?
My best work yet.
My teeth! Mom, this is too much!
Honey, you're gonna like it later.
No! You
Me?
fix it! Oh. My tooth hurts!
My baby's hurt. Oh, I know what to do.
What are you doing? Mom!
Stay brave, my girl.
Mom,
On the count of 3, okay?
Okay.
3.
What? You got the wrong one!
Don't worry, I will fix it. Open up, sweetie.
It's okay now.
Round 2. 3.
Come on!
Savvy, what's wrong? Honey?
These jeans are old.
Oh, it's got holes in it.
Maybe we can buy new ones?
No way. You can have my old clothes for now. Try them on.
Oh, Mom! I look like you now. Give me back my jeans.
Sure, I just fixed them. I even put some color in them.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, my sweetie.
I'm not going to school like this. Time to actually save these jeans. First, I'm gonna remove these patches. Mom did a great job, but they're not very Jen's dad. Then I'm gonna cut it along here. Now for some holes. Come on. Oh, that was tough. This will do it. Oh, looks fancy. It'll look great with these pants. Ta-da! Looks great, huh? You can't even tell they are old jeans. Everyone's gonna like it.
Go outside, you're gonna be late for school.
Oh, first day at my new school. Can't wait to start my first class. Oh, Mom. Always so extra.
Savvy, sweetheart, I really like your new school. But I want you to be safe.
Whoa.
This is Arnold, your new security.
Hi.
Mom, I don't need him. Hi, you're the new girl here. I'm Lucy. Hi, I'm Savvy.
Not so fast. You're suspicious. Move.
Okay. But wait.
You see, you're safe now.
Mom, leave and take Arnold with you. I don't need him.
I'm so proud of you.
Mom! Did you see that? So weird.
Have a good day, honey.
Bye, Mom. Oh. I just wish I had a normal life. Me too. Oh. Wow. So cool. You're just like me. I know, right? You wanna switch? Yeah, let's try. I wanna try a new life. Same. Wow. Wow. I'm so pretty. This is so comfortable. But our moms can never know about this. They will never know. Wow. What a nice house.
Honey? Ooh. You changed your style.
Yeah, Mom. Do you like it?
Love it. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, Mom. Wow. Go. Oh, are you sure this isn't a brick? Okay, that's staying here. Wow. What's that? It's dirty. Whoa, a dust cloud?
Hello, Sabby. You have 3 wishes.
No. Come back in. This was weird. This rich life is really something.
Busy, sweetie? We need to fix this! Butler!
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Please! Oh.
Time to give you a foot spa.
Vanilla syrup? That's fancy.
Only the best for you, madam. Now we add some rose water for that organic feel. Perfect.
Don't forget the gold.
I'll just shred it like cheese and I'm done. Your feet, please.
Oh, is this for real? Oh, that's cold. My feet are sparkling. It's ticklish.
Huh? Did you put lavender in it? Fix her nails!
Right away, ma'am. Don't worry. I can fix it.
Don't worry, he's very good.
He's good.
Very bad thing. I quit.
What?
Oops. So, this is her home. So cozy.
You're such a cutie patootie!
My makeup, Mom.
I'm going to the garden, sweetheart.
What is this thing? I guess they're using it as a mirror. Interesting. Oh, ew. Whatever. What's under this?
Hey!
Sorry. Not again. Weird. Is this for real? Bird! Bird! Mom! Ow!
What happened? Hey!
My pinky toe!
Huh? Oh, it's okay, sweetheart.
Maybe a pedicure?
Of course, sweetheart. Let me just take these off. Now I'm ready. Good thing we still have some milk. Honey?
Yes, Mom?
No, honey.
Oh, here you go, Mom.
This will give your feet a soft and silky feel.
Cool.
But the real special ingredient is Helen's egg. Just one will do. Here you go, honey. Like always.
Thanks, Mom. Here goes nothing. Ew, it's sticky.
Natural remedies.
Ew. I can't. I can't even tell what that is anymore. This can't work. Oh, wait a second. So soft. This actually works. In the trash you go.
You don't waste anything in this house, young lady.
Sorry, Mom. Cool. This is where rich people eat, huh?
It's time for dinner, sweetheart.
Rich food. Cool. Let's try it. Weird.
Oh, honey, you're really hungry. Water, please.
Yes, madam.
It's paper towel, honey, remember? It expands when you put water on it. Wow, that's a cool magic trick. Alfred!
Your food, ma'am.
That's so much better than eggs.
No, sweetie. You need to use chopsticks. See?
Chop what? Right. Never used this before. Let's do this. This is how she did it, right? You chop it, right? Maybe this will do this trick. Come on. It's hopeless. What is this? Wasabi? It looks tasty. I hope it's enough for dinner.
It's too much.
I'm hungry. Seems like I have to make my own food. Let's see what's in their fridge. I have eggs, milk, and butter. Pancakes. My private chef taught me this recipe. A bit of this. Not in the recipe, but sure, a little bit more. There. I think that's enough. I think it's gonna explode.
Honey, what's wrong?
There is something wrong with the pan.
Let me check. Is it hot enough? Seems about right. It's hot enough. I will make you pancakes, honey.
How did she? Oh, well.
Here you go, my little pumpkin.
Thank you, Mom. Yummy. me. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. I'm making you more. I'm gonna make as much as you want.
That's what she used on my feet. Ew.
Oh, honey, are you okay? Are you sick? Let me help you.
Mom, I'm so sick.
Here you go, drink some tea. I need to call the doctor, my poor baby. Hello?
Doctor?
Don't worry, miss. I will help you. Say sorry. I'll run some tests.
Interesting.
Oh, I have an idea. No school for me tomorrow.
What is it, doctor?
Oh no. It can't be.
What? Let's see your temperature, honey. 212 degrees?
The diagnosis is clear.
Oh dear. Fake Oh, my sweet daughter, you can stay home tomorrow.
Really?
Yes, baby, lay down.
Thanks, Mom.
Go on, honey, lay down.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, my poor baby, you can stay home tomorrow. Mwah.
Thank you, Mom. Good night.
Good night.
Oh, I can't sleep like this. I miss my mom. I need to go back. Better not to wake her.
I knew it.
Hey, Savvy. Hey, so do you miss your mom too? Yeah. Been looking at this picture of us all day. Maybe it's time to switch back. Yeah, being rich is nice, but I miss my mom. Ready? Ready. One, two, three. Oh, thank you for this. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. It's good to be back home.
Oh, honey, you're back.
What do you mean? I never left.
Honey, I always knew it.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm your mama after all.
Oh, Mom. I missed you, Mom. And then she made me eat it. Steve, she asked me on a date. Mom, can I go?
Sure, just take a snack with you.
Thank you.
Kids nowadays.